In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a project in Asana, a straightforward process that takes just a few moments. Whether you're wrapping up a project, reallocating resources, or simply disengaging for personal reasons, knowing how to effectively leave a project can help maintain a tidy workspace and ensure clarity within your team. First, let's head over to the Asana website by entering www.asana.com into your preferred browser. Once you're there, look towards the upper corner of the page and click on the Login button. This will lead you to the sign-in page where you can access your dashboard. If you haven't yet set up an account, no worries, just opt for Get Started or try for free to begin your Asana journey. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Asana dashboard, a hub for all your tasks and projects. From here, you'll want to locate the specific project you wish to leave. This can typically be found in your project list or the sidebar. Click on the project title to open it up. With the project open, let's direct our attention to the top of the screen where you'll see a number of options. Here you'll find the Share button, generally situated next to the project name or settings. Clicking this will open a drop-down menu with several choices. From this drop-down, navigate to Members. This section lists everyone currently involved with the project. Scroll through the list until you spot your name. Next to your name, there should be a set of 3 dots, often referred to as the Action menu or Options menu. Click on these 3 dots, which will present you with a few different options. Among them, you'll see Leave Project. Selecting this option indicates your desire to leave the project. Before finalizing your decision, Asana will prompt you with a confirmation dialog. This is where you need to be absolutely sure about your choice to depart from the project. If you are certain, go ahead and click the Remove Me button to complete the process, and there you have it, you've successfully left an Asana project. These steps ensure that you're no longer part of the project's discussions, tasks, and updates, thereby keeping your focus on other priorities. If ever you need to rejoin or leave another project, you now know exactly what to do. Remember, keeping your Asana workspace organized helps both you and your team work more efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out more of our guides and stay tuned for additional tips on making the most of your digital workspace tools. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.